I just got the call. The tank has arrived.
Yeah, super huge and super heavy.
Yes, it's very huge and very heavy, so I'm just going to put it in here for now.
That's perfect.
I'm very nervous. I'm very excited. It seems that the shipping pallet has broken underneath the aquarium, so he's going to struggle quite a bit getting it off the truck. Stop. Woo! That is a relief. I just got very excited. Here it is, the Waterbox 220.6. This is how it comes shipped. Got the tank down here. It's in a crate, screws holding in the cardboard, hard cardboard. The stand is in two different boxes on top. I feel like I'm about to open a tomb from Indiana Jones. You won't believe it. Another box! That is a big aquarium. It's funny that such a big thing comes with just one page of instructions. That's it. Hope you build IKEA furniture. So leveling this thing has been a real pain in the ass. You have to use at least a 2-foot level to make sure you're getting a good read on where the bubble is. And then in order to make the adjustments on the feet, you have to tip the whole cabinet over and make the adjustments, tip it back and see if you did enough. I've been using shims to prop up the front, make sure the outermost legs exactly where they need to be. And then once I tip it back over, I'll make sure that those are the proper adjustments. And then I'm using this level as kind of a straight edge to make sure that all the feet are touching the floor all the way across the underneath of the cabinet. Last step before the tank actually goes in is I want to secure it to the wall with these earthquake straps. I live in Los Angeles, so earthquakes are a bit of a concern. Obviously in a big quake, I've got bigger fish to fry if the whole tank goes over, but in smaller quakes, sometimes all you need is just a little bit of force to push it back into place, so that's what these guys are for. Moving company's here to move the tank in. It's too heavy. I don't have enough friends to do it myself. I hired moving guys. They're right now trying to figure out the logistics. It's COVID, so everyone's wearing masks. You got a step coming. There it is. So what do you want right now? Wait, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos just like this, and follow me on the whole build of the Waterbox 220.6.